everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita. Today, I like to share my roasted garlic and herb chicken. So, come on, cook with Tita. First and foremost, chicken. Leg quarter, already cleaned. Be sure that it's drained. Okay? We have half a cup of oil. You can use any oil. We're gonna have to put that in here. And then our herbs, okay? After all, this is garlic and herbs chicken. All right? So, I have over here 1 tablespoon of dill, 2 tablespoons of minced onion, 2 tablespoons of garlic salt, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon or to taste black pepper. Now, we're going to put that in here, all of it, okay? I have 2 lemon, and we're gonna use the zest, just the zest, not the rind, okay? The rind, it's bitter. Okay, so that is the zest, okay, of 2 lemon. So now, we're gonna squeeze the lemon in here, okay, the juice, like so. And as you can tell, you know, I'm doing a whole bunch of chicken, like I've been telling you. I have to, I'm cooking for the whole battalion, you see. But if you just cooking for yourself, just adjust the ingredients. This is just to coat the chicken, okay? This parsley is from my garden. If you happen to use a dry parsley, use 2 tablespoons, okay? So we're gonna gather all of this. Be careful with your hand. Gather just like that. And then just kind of run the knife like so. Like that. Okay? Just roughly, oh man, if you just have a smelly vision, okay, this thing is so good. Okay, so just like that, put it in here. Now, this procedure, like I told you, it has to be overnight, right? Or 15 minutes marinating your chicken, okay? You know what I'm saying? Because the more it marinates, really, you won't regret it, because it's gonna be so delish. Let me tell you that. So anyhow, mix all your herbs and spice and all that goodies. Now, put all your chicken in here, like so, okay? Just to be sure that there's no water going in there. I always put the chicken in a herb or herbs mixture, one at a time. Because check that out. See that? We don't want that juice, right? Okay. Now, coat your chicken. Coat it really good. And then if you're going to marinate this overnight, you have to cover it. Or you can put this in a big Ziploc. Mix it really well, like so. All right? This chicken is going to be so delicious, I'm telling you. This is well coated. You see what I'm saying? Now, when you're ready to cook this the next day or after 15 minutes marinating, get you cookie sheets and I'll show you how to do it, okay? All right, guys, we are ready to put our roasted garlic and herbs chicken into the oven, preheated 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So, like that. Oh man, smells delish already. It's not even cooking yet. Okay? Now, all these herbs, you should scoop it and kind of lay them down on the top of your chickens. The pieces of, on the top of the chicken, like so. Into the oven it goes, like so. Be careful, just be sure that it's in the middle. Okay, like so. All right, shut your door. Okay, like I said, 30 minutes, and then check, because it depends upon how big your pieces of your chicken, or sometimes the oven is temperamental, what I'm saying. So go ahead and set it up 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes. Okay, and then we'll come back. All right, guys, it took 45 minutes for our roasted chicken. Be careful, it's really, really hot. And the juice, of course, in the bottom. So be careful. All right, don't want to spill it on you, okay? Oh, roasted chicken is delicious. I have my rice and my kimchi over here, and I am going to pair it perfect company with the rice. Of course, we are Filipinos, right? So kimchi, the recipe of making kimchi is already there. Let's try this, guys. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is, oh my goodness. I'm drooling. Smells so good. Now with the kimchi, it's so good, so good. Let's try. It's easy and delicious, okay, and healthy too. Let me try the meat by itself. Oh guys, the herbs and everything, oh my gosh, so delish. Oh my goodness. Wow, so delish. I hope you guys like my recipe. Try it. It's easy and healthy. All right, so until next time, guys, when you cook with Tita right here in my kitchen, don't forget to like and push the share button, please, and subscribe also. And like I always say, bon appetit, guys. Bye.